Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot POCO M8. Okay, it is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now, simply select the reboot function and release your finger. Now our device will be turned off and it will be turned on automatically within a few seconds. After that, it will be ready to use. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device regularly can help with the performance of your device. It can also boost its speed. Also, if you have some problems, for example, that your device is lagging, that's the moment when you can perform a reboot and everything should start working properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.